Okay, I'm about to do an unboxing. I got a package, my first one from Hungryroot. So let's see what we've got inside. All right, let's see what we've got here. Okay. Okay. Inside. All this stuff here. We got some popcorn, Himalayan pink salt popcorn, tricolor pearl couscous, more popcorn, some curry chickpeas, chocolate chip cookies, we got some lemon, more lemon. Let's see. Okay, another bag of the couscous, sweet chili lime. Got a couple of those. An avocado. It's not ripe, so I guess I won't be making that today. Some Brussels sprouts. Some salad, ready to eat salad. What is this? Oh, this is the Welcome to Hungryroot. And then let's see if that's specific to the meals that I ordered. I'm not sure. Okay, some reviews. Some more salad. More avocado. Brown rice and quinoa blend. Some flatbread, some pita bread, some apples. What kind of apples are these? I'm not sure. I thought it was supposed to be some pink lady apples. I thought. I'm not seeing it on there. Some seasoned jasmine rice. Garbanzo beans. They had like 10 of them on the order and I had to remove some. Some whole wheat. Some spinach. Baby spinach. We got a couple of tomatoes. Tzatziki sauce. some sesame ginger sauce. A lot of vegetables. I guess that's what I should be eating. Oh wait, it's almost like it came like it's open. It came open. I'm not sure about that. Some green beans. Some more tomatoes. More garbanzo beans. Refried beans. Looks like some guacamole, or it says avocado cream on there. Some tofu. More garbanzo beans. Some more chocolate chip cookies. Eggplant chickpeas. Braised lemongrass tofu nuggets. And then looks like there's some stuff under here, under this here. Okay. I guess this is the almond chickpea cookie dough. We got 2 of those. 2 of these. We got the falafel bites. And I think that's it. These are just the packages to keep it cool. So that is everything. This is everything that I got from Hungryroot. All this here. This is 1 week's worth of groceries. I paid about $135. It's supposed to be, let's see here. Okay, here's the list of things. I'm gonna put that here. That's the list of stuff. Okay, let me just cover my address. And that's everything. Shows the stuff on the left side that goes in the fridge. And then on the right side, the stuff that goes in the pantry on that side. And then on the back is the recipes. So this one says recipe for Tuesday, July 8th, which is today. But I don't know if oh, it says you have more recipes, and then I have to see them in the QR code that's at the top right hand corner, and that'll give me the rest of the recipes. But this is just for today, so I'm about to get on it because I am hungry. But this is what you get for the $135. I'm not sure if that feels like $135 worth, or if my money would have stretched further had I gone to the grocery store. I'm gonna have to really think about that. And obviously I'm not pleased that this one came open either. But yeah, maybe I'll share some of the recipes that I make throughout the week. It's supposed to be more of like Mediterranean vegan is the option that I went with.
Thanks for watching my very first Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus video, the unboxing of my Hungryroot home food delivery service. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where I'll be sharing healthy recipes. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and check out the playlist for more.